look, there they are. Oh! Kunin nyo naman yung mga girls, boy. Andiyan kayo, pre. Oy, tol. Tabi kayo. Yan. What about go to one of our friends' house? That's a great idea. Dangerous house.
By the way, guys, what time is it? Already 5 p.m. I suggest we should go home now. It's getting late.
I think she's right. We need to go home now.
Yeah, let's go!
Wait. Where are the others?
I think they're late.
I think
Danica?
Danica. Oh, guys, we're just friends. Fall in love with her when you're just grade 6 or 5. Come on, let's walk.
Hey,
Dan!
Hi, guys!
Hi, Dan! We're here!
Hi, guys.
So, what's up, guys?
I guess they won't come anymore.
Oh, what are we gonna do?
Let's go to 7-Eleven.
Go!
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days.
Hey, actor, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. No, you don't. You don't look okay. No, bro, I'm okay. No, you don't. Hey, bro. We're here for you. You said us what's wrong. Because Danica is not for you.
We're late. Let's hurry. Come on. Hey, guys. Guess what? It's Lester.
Oh, Danica. Wanna join? Sit, girls. Thank you, Danica, for coming because you make me feel strong.